Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a gamer itching to redeem that shiny new game code on Steam in 2025, you're in the right place. Steam is one of the biggest platforms for PC gaming, and redeeming codes is super straightforward once you know the steps. Whether it's a free game from a giveaway or a code you bought, this quick guide will get you set up in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Steam app installed on your computer or access it via the website. Start by launching Steam and logging into your account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it. It's free and quick. Once you're logged in, head over to the top left corner and click on Games in the menu bar. From the drop-down, select Activate a product on Steam. This is your gateway to redeeming codes. Now, in the window that pops up, you'll see a prompt asking you to agree to the Steam subscriber agreement if you haven't already. Just read through it and click Agree if you're good to go. Next, enter your product code in the box provided. Make sure to type it exactly as it appears, paying attention to uppercase letters, hyphens, or any special characters. After you input the code, hit Next, and follow the on-screen instructions. Steam will verify the code and add the game to your library. Once it's redeemed, you might need to download and install the game. Just go to your Library tab, find the new game, and click Install. Boom! You're ready to play. A few tips to keep in mind. If the code doesn't work, double-check for typos, ensure it's not expired, and make sure it's meant for your region. If issues persist, Steam's support page has helpful resources. And there you have it, folks. Redeeming game codes on Steam in 2025 is easier than ever. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gaming tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming. See you in the next video.